Okay, we were asked to multiply a binomial times a trinomial, and I always recommend, especially as freshmen, I recommend using a generic area model. It's a handy thing to do. So I'm going to draw a generic area model. The area model will have a height of 2 and a width of 3. And along the left-hand side, I'm going to put a 3x on the bottom and a -1 here. And as I go along the bottom, I'm going to put 2x squared, and then I'm going to put 5x, and then I'm going to put -2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of each and every one of these rectangles. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And remember, to find the areas of rectangles, what we do is we multiply the length times width. So I need to multiply to get the areas of each piece. So for this first piece here, I'll put with an orange dot. When I multiply those, I'm multiplying 3x times 2x squared. 3x times 2x squared. Well, 3 times 2 is 6. X times x squared is x, right? There's 3 factors of x. So this becomes 6 times x to the third power. Right above that, we're going to multiply to get -1 times 1 times 2x squared, and -1 times 2x squared is just going to be -2x squared. That's comprehensible. I think I got that. Let's go over here to the next box. We'll do this one, the 3x times 5x. When I multiply those, 3 times 5 is 15, and x times x is x squared. Above that, I'm going to multiply -1 times 5x, which is going to make a -5x. And let's do the one just to the right of that. -1 times -2 is going to give me a +2 there. And below, the last box has a 3x times a -2, which is -6 times x. So some of these boxes contain like terms. In fact, let me highlight them. This and this box have like terms, right? And this box have like terms. So we have now found the areas of each of these rectangles by multiplying their lengths times widths. Now that we know those, we can combine these areas by using addition, right? So this area plus this area is the area together. So the final answer here is that this product, right, that product is equal to 6x cubed. And then I'm going to write plus 13x squared, plus 13x squared. Now, what are those? That's the part that I've highlighted in green, right? That's the -2x squared and the positive 15x squared. And then I'm going to combine -5x and -6x, which is -11x. And then finally, there is a +2. So the product of this multiplication problem, a binomial times a trinomial, is 6x cubed plus 13x squared minus 11x plus 2.